Hi, I'm Randy Vance, and thanks for joining me on my dock. I just got done opening this new Kicker KMC5 media center. This is a 250-watt audio system that's ideal for upgrading your boat, or they're often installed in some of the premium boat brands I test. First thing you're going to notice is this unit is IP rated for water resistance. Don't even bother considering one that isn't. This is IP66, and what that means is it can withstand a virtual fire hose of water from every direction for 15 minutes without getting water in it. Another thing you'll notice as I hold it here is this cylindrical shape. That makes it easy to mount. All you have to do is cut a hole with a 3-inch hole saw. It slips right in. What else do you want to think about? Well, you want to look at the bright screen. You can see that this one's illuminated, and even out here in the bright light, you can read the details on the screen. Another thing that I think is important is that you've got preamp connections for a subwoofer, rear speakers, front speakers, and Zone 2. Now, Zone 2 is what I would use for the upper speakers on the radar arch or on the wakeboard tower, or if you've got a cabin boat in the salon below. You've got to have a Bluetooth device. This one is so easy to connect. The minute you turn it on, it is looking for a Bluetooth device to connect to. You find it on your phone, click it on, and now you're the DJ on the KMC5 Media Center. Pretty cool. There's also another input for it. That's a USB input. Put a thumb drive in there and don't mess with your smartphone. You've also got the option to install a Sirius satellite system with it. All you need to do is add the antenna and your Sirius account number. Another feature I like is the NEMA 2000 connectivity port, which means you can hook it up to the backbone of your navigation system and control it through most navigation displays. You can also use the video port on it so that it can be a rear view camera and you can watch your skiers. All you need is an inexpensive video camera. One of my favorite features on this unit is the LED bezel. It's RGB, so you can change it to any color you like. You can also connect it up to your RGB speakers if that's what you choose. And you can make those colors change according to your music. Now, Kicker knows that when you look to upgrade your stereo or choose one for your new boat, you're going to be looking at many items. Well, they're pretty confident that you're going to find everything you need in the KMC5 Media Center. I'm Randy Vance, and thanks for joining me on my dock.